start how we're doing. So we're gonna ground the chickpeas that we soak. We soak chickpeas overnight, and we're gonna grind 4 cups of chickpeas. Of garlic, one onion, and half a bunch of parsley. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cumin. So actually, it's almost like 3 tablespoons. And baking powder, half a teaspoon. And like 2 tablespoons of flour, and that's basically it. We're gonna mix it. Smell it first. So this is what it looks like, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna let it sit for at least 2 hours, and then I'll show you how to fry it in oil. I have a falafel maker. Either that, or you can make it by hand, roll it. I have oil, hot oil, about 325 degrees, at least about 3 or 4 inches deep. Vegetable oil. And we're gonna fry it. And we're gonna fry it for a few minutes until it's golden brown. And do not move it the first minute, so it won't fall apart on you. Okay, and now we're gonna wait a few minutes. And I'll show you how to make the sandwich. We're gonna take, We're gonna take pita bread or flat bread, whatever you have. We made tahini sauce over here with water, tahini sauce, lemon juice, and water. Water and tahini 1-to-1. A little bit pinch of salt. We're gonna put salad, basically cucumbers, tomatoes, and I like to add hot sauce, hot spicy sauce. And now we're gonna check to see what happened to the falafel. We can move it. We can move it a little bit. You see? And it start getting brown. Okay. We're gonna wait a few minutes so it will cook inside. You gotta be careful not to have the heat too high, so the falafel balls will not cook in the middle and they will get too dark outside. And don't put too much parsley, because the parsley will make the falafel go brown more than it should be. You see how nice it is? But I will let it cook another minute just to make sure that the falafel is cooked all the way in. And here you have the best vegetarian. So now we take the falafel balls, we put it in the center of the sandwich. We're gonna roll it. And here you have a beautiful falafel. Oh wow, best falafel in town.